Here's what to check if your AC is not cooling. And we're gonna go here to the panel in the back. And we're gonna come down here to our HC12 board. We're gonna have 4 fuses I need you to check. One, it's going to be the fans at the cooling at the bottom of the van, and the 3 fans. Now, all you're going to do, pull them out, or you can just check them here in their ports. Next, it would be checking your negative port to each one and making sure you have power. If everything looks good and each one that you're testing, the green lights come on, that means they're working. If that's happening, we're going to check our hard reset. Here's where you check the reset. At the back of the van, right behind the driver's seat at the bottom, you're gonna have a breaker just like this. Now, what you're going to do is press this button. A little arm will come out. All you're going to do is just pop it back on to activate those 3 chilling fans. The breaker that we're looking for, you will have your chilling fans right here, and your breaker box will be here at the bottom of the van. You will see the switcher, you won't mistake it.